Namaste. Today's topic is SN1 and SN2 reaction. Here, S stand for substitution and N stand for nucleophile. So, first is what is substitution? This reaction involves a substitution of players. Two reactants produce two products in which something has been switched around. Then, second is nucleophile. These reaction involve a nucleophile replacing a leaving group. Nucleophiles attack the substrate, donating an electron pair to the new bond and replacing the leaving group, or we can say a substitution. Next is biomolecule. Biomolecular. A biomolecular reaction is one whose rate dependent on the concentration of two of its reactant. Now SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction happen in one step. The nucleophile attack the substrate as the leaving group leave the substrate. The most common is called an SN2 reaction. It is a simple nucleophilic attack of a nucleophile on to an nucleophilic carbon. This attack causes an irreversible of absolute configuration of carbon center. So in S2 reaction we get means the things are involved is a substitution, nucleophile and a biomolecular reactions. Okay, S2 nucleophilic substitution causes, as I told, it is inversion of configuration. Okay, means it leave the group, good leaving group is removed in this. Second is SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction are nucleophilic substitution involving a nucleophilic replacing a leaving group. S1 reaction are unimolecular. The rate of this reaction depend only on the concentration of one reactant. S1 reaction happen in two steps. One is, first step means the leaving group leave and the substrate form a carbocation intermediate, and the second step is the nucleophilic attack the carbocation forming the product. These reactions, the SN1 reaction involves substitution nucleophile but not biomolecular, but it involves a unimolecular. Okay, this is the basic difference. You can see in SN2 we use biomolecule, but in this we use unimolecular. Next is SN1 and SN2 difference between these two reactions. For SN1 reaction, the step determining the rate is unimolecular, while in S2 it is biomolecular. S1 is two-step mechanism, where S2 is only one-step mechanism. During S1 reaction, the carbocation will form as an intermediate, where during SN2 reaction it is not formed. In SN2 reaction, one can draw the intermediate structure of where the carbon has a partial bond with the incoming neutrophil and the leaving group, whereas this is not possible in SN1 pathway reaction. So this is over. We are over a topic here about about SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. Thank you. For more you can prefer the given notes. Thank you so much.